It's Chili Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. So coming to you with another pour today, as I do every single day, and hopefully that will continue. So I thank you all so much for being with me and the support that you guys have given me and the lovely comments I've been getting recently and the views. I just so appreciate you. And I just wanted you to know, so thank you so much. This is a 60 by 30 canvas, and I have some sort of muted blues, greys and golds mixed for my pours for the next, well, I'm going to do quite a few pours hopefully today, being the zone, and but those are the colours I'm working with. I don't know, I've got a feeling that I need to add a pop of red somewhere, but I'll just go with what I have at the moment. So these all my colours were mixed up. The pouring medium is in the description box below, with the exception of I added dragonfly glaze. It's folk art dragonfly glaze, and I just added a good squirt to every single colour that I've got made up, because what it does kind of gives it this holographic, it gives it this gorgeous glistening in your paint, and when you put it on you can kind of see your paint glistening, and I've got this gorgeous metallic sapphire, blue sapphire from folk art that I've mixed up, and it's going in with some other colours, but as I said, that just makes every colour seem to just glisten. If you haven't got metallics, that's a good way of adding the glistening, the sort of nice metallic-y effect in there. So this was cerulean blue, and I added a squirt of metallic silver and a good squirt of the dragonfly glaze. So without further ado, I will get on with this painting and show you what I've got in store for you today. Hopefully it's going to be quite minimalistic. I probably should not say a word. I shouldn't say a word because it ends up being the opposite. Now this grey I made up myself out of white, metallic silver, a blob of black, a very tiny blob of black till I got it the grey that I wanted, and then again I put a good squirt of that dragonfly glaze in. So made up my own grey. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure I've got plenty. And I'm just gonna give it a quick scoot around the canvas. Oh, that sapphire. Well, no, this was the cerulean blue. This particular one, I'll show you the sapphire in a second or two. But this is the cerulean blue, as I said, just mixed. As I previously mentioned, I shouldn't go over myself several times, should I? But it's just catching the overhead lights, and it is just glistening away. It's just stunning when you just add that bit of bling in your paints, to get that lovely sparkly effect, especially if you like sparkle. If you don't like sparkle, well, I don't know. But yeah, everybody's got a bit of sparkle in their life, and that is mine. That is just gorgeous. I'm not going to worry too much about my sides at this moment in time. I just wipe off my little spatula to now go over. Oh, look what she did. Oh, well, it was meant to be. My grey, and even this is sparkling, so I hope to bring the camera down when I've completed this so you can try and catch the sparkle, or I might have to wait till it's dry and take it outside into the sunlight to catch the sparkle. So yeah, you don't have to be too meticulous with coating your paint this way, so just do it, just relax about it. This is the most calming sort of peaceful time for you if you're on your own and you haven't got a film or anything. This is just a beautiful time to just chillax and just spread your paint out. It's part of the art therapy. So there you go. That's the cerulean side and the grey. This is the other sapphire that I have, but it's very close to that now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need or want to put it actually in there. But anyway, without further ado, this is gold. And again, even though it's a gold metallic, I still added a good squirt of that dragonfly glaze. Doesn't matter if you miss aim like I just did there. It's absolutely fine. Don't stress over paint. It in the end, it's only paint. No worries at all. Okay, this is the, I think it was called the cyan blue, C-Y-A-N, cyan blue. So it's a little bit darker, but for those bluey, silvery lovers, you're gonna love this. Add a bit of dark in there, absolutely. And we'll go with some white. Again, I still give this white a good squeeze of that, and you can see it shimmering in there. Shiver me timbers. Now I am going to add, actually, this is the copper. Oh, let me find it. Metallic bronze, actually. Metallic bronze. So I'm putting metallic bronze in there. And give it another bit of a pop, I hope. But the colour that I really want to make it pop is, this is my homemade, the Deep Berry Delicious. So I make this with, I have got videos on custom colour making, but I make this with the darkest red you have, but today I used magenta, a good squirt of phthalo blue, and then a little blob of black if you want it to go even darker. So that's what I wanted in this particular one. I think that's just about it. The deliciousness is in there. Okie doke. I'm not going to add any more. I am going to use my little straw to give the edges a blow. Oh my. Wowzers. Flipping trousers, I tell you. Oh, that it just softens my edges. Just a thing that I've enjoyed doing. Yeah, it's been really nice. So I have a little bit of black that's been made up for donkey's years, and it was the black, it was the Amsterdam black made up with Floetrol. Obviously I'd used it for selling, but I'm just going to see if this will work. Because it's been made up for, I just seen it there, it's been made up for a very long time, so I'm not sure if it's even going to work. So I'll get just a little piece of the soft plastic file divider, and I'll just see if I can get anything nice out of it. Doesn't, might sell, I'm not sure yet. Let's put some heat on there. So I'm using my heat gun. Wonder Wand. Let's give it a... There is no silicone whatsoever in these colours. So it's the Floetrol that's making the cells. These are just glistening because of that dragonfly glaze. Oh, this was navy, but it's looking a bit... So I don't know whether I'll get anything nice out of that. But again, I shall throw it out after this time. I'll just have a little look if I can get anything nice. I'm just going to dip it in the... This is just the navy with Floetrol. Just want to see if I can... Oh yes, that is gorgeous. Just add in some wispy bits. Just add in some. Oh yeah, lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's always exciting. It's just... Oh, you'll see the close-ups of this. It is fantabulous. So that's just dipping my little bit of card. It was this particular one was the Amsterdam paint, and just mixed with Floetrol only. And it just brings up. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm so sorry. I know I get excited, don't I? Too much for some people, but sorry, I do, and it's my my art room. That's it. I'm not going. I shouldn't apologise for getting excited, as so many of you keep telling me. So thank you for that. But I know I probably shouldn't do so many wisps, but I'm enjoying it. I like it. I'm going to go back the other way now. Holy dooly. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Oh, I could do this all day, really. Well, I do it all day, but I mean, just this, it's just so therapeutic to swipe. But I must bring you down to have a look. That is something special. That's really beautiful. I suppose I should just do... Oh, this is stunning. So I might just try and... It's as though I picked up some of the... Oh, just want to try and do something independent of it. Well, that's gorgeous. That's lovely. So pretty. I like it. And that's all it's got to please, really, is yourself. Rightio. I might leave this to dry off because I want to balloon it in the centre. So, and I love balloons. So there you go. Oh, actually, this is actually all right to... I need my sides done, but this is just a little balloon with a bit of water in it. It just adds the bit of weight for you to push in. If you find that all your work is the paint's just sinking in, just push it in, take it out, wipe it straight away, and then go back over it. But it is very good to just leave your work as well completely for about half an hour. And then come back and swipe it, and balloon kiss it. Oh, that gold's coming up there. Love that, love that. And it's actually nice to yeah, come back and do it, then your paint won't fall in like this, because it kind of absorbs into the canvas, and it you know, levels out. But also, if you've already done a balloon kissing in it, and then you come back when it's a little bit dried off and you do the smaller balloon in the center of your kisses, that gives an awesome effect too. Gives a stunning effect. You know, this lacing, oh, it's something special. There you go. The colours are just outstanding in this. I do say so myself. They are absolutely beautiful in this piece. Absolutely beautiful. So I am going to just bring the camera down now and show you those lacing. Well, here we go. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. How special is that? It is gorgeous. Very delicate. So unlike me, but just stunning. You could do a whole painting with just these soft effects on like this. You can do anything you choose, but look at this. That is gorgeous. It's this. Oh, I've got the reflection back, but see the glistening in the paint? I'm not sure if you're picking it up. It's just glistening. This is on the, see the sapphire? Just adding that colour shift into your paint, so you could really make any paint special, like getting that effect in it by just adding a good squirt of that. Look at the shine in that purple. Well, it's the berry delicious. It is berry delicious. Shining. I am super happy with this. It is just stunning, and done on the diagonal, just beautiful. It's really lovely. I'm happy. So thank you so much for joining me, people. You have been such an awesome support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I have a video out every day, and I hope that you all get something from it, even if it's just a joy watching. But if it helps you create, then so be it, and wonderful. Okay, say bye for now.